How to fix the IRQL not less or equal BSOD caused by ntoskrnl.exe. Seeing the IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore or underscore equal blue screen? That means Windows hit a serious error. This is often caused by drivers or hardware accessing memory the wrong way. It's especially common with new PC builds, where issues like bad drivers, mismatched RAM, overclocking, or faulty hardware can trigger crashes. In this guide, we'll walk you through clear steps to track down the cause and fix your system. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for BSOD troubleshooting. Before you start, back up your important files to avoid losing data. Learn how to boot into safe mode using the command prompt. Check that your account has administrator rights by going to Start menu, Settings, and then Accounts. Administrator should appear under your name. Method 1. Update device drivers, GUI. For this method, you first need to fix drivers with errors. This shows up with this symbol in Device Manager. To do this, press Window plus X, Device Manager. Look for devices with a yellow symbol. Right-click on this, then choose Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Do this for all flagged devices. You can start with chipset, graphics, and network. If that doesn't work, right-click the device and choose Properties, Details, Hardware IDs. Copy the hardware ID and search online, ideally on official manufacturer's website. Download the correct driver. If it's a .zip file, select Extract All first. Install it by running the setup file, or in Device Manager, right-click the driver with this icon. Then choose Update Driver, Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on the Browse button and find the folder where the new driver is located. Follow the succeeding prompts. If the symbol is still there, test your hardware, as this could indicate a deeper issue. Method 2. Run System File Checker and DISM. To run a system scan, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait 15 to 30 minutes for the scan. If fixes are made, restart your PC. If problems remain, open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. Restart when the process is complete. Method 3. Check memory for errors. This method lets you restart your PC and check the memory. Review the results to confirm if the problem is memory related. Open Start menu, search PowerShell, and Run as Administrator. Type mdsched.exe and press Enter. Click Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC will reboot and run a memory test. Review the results after it finishes. The IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore or underscore equal BSOD can be tricky, but you can troubleshoot it step by step. These methods help find the cause and make Windows 11 more stable. For more information and troubleshooting methods, check out our official blog post on ntoskrnl.exe, BSOD troubleshooting, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.